Well, it's all nice and tidy today as I'm doing things here in the van. And very quickly, when you're working on these vans, it seems to get very messy, or maybe that's just me, but trying to protect work surfaces and things is important, but also making some progress is important. So, crikey, this job is getting there slowly, but I've had to go many steps backwards to start making steps forwards again. So now I've got the Reimo unit here, I've got the fridge secured in, I've got the compressor in that little section there, and obviously there's a pipe that's had to be unravelled and a wire that goes all the way back to that, and then it's wired up there into what will be the fuse box and the switch panel there, the fuse box there, and that just clips into that panel at the top under the sink. A couple of drawers go in those spaces there. I'm going to have some plug sockets up there. Got an LED strip light under here that I'm wiring in from the back. I've got a box, a shelf that I'm going to make that goes at the top, and that'll have an LED fancy strip light in it as well, that's enclosed in aluminium. And the mains, I'm going to have sockets there, and sockets, where are they? Oh, sockets, the other sockets are at the front there for things like laptops and things, whatever, when you're sitting on the front seat. And then in the switch panel, and then the sockets are going to be there for things like the kettle and stuff. So I've got enough sockets kicking around there. Somewhere I've got to wire in a hidden one of those kind of inductive chargers for phones. I was going to put it under this worktop around here, but then this has got sheets of steel, stainless steel, built into it for rigidity and strength. It's got 2 sheets, I think, built in all the way through. So that's going to stop me from putting in the inductive charger hidden under the countertop. So I've got to work out a different way of putting it, and I'm probably going to somehow, at some point, but not immediately, build a shelf in here, probably kind of at the top here somewhere. Just a little discreet shelf there where you can put things like the phone or whatever for charging. I'll just use it as a shelf if it's not going to charge anything. Don't know quite yet where I might put it, or I might put it in the front inside that din box thing, and that's probably a good place to put it. So any road up, that is me at the minute doing all of this. So I'm going to get back to wiring this in, and then I'll come back the next time, hopefully, and all of the wiring, at least for this stage, will be done and the unit will be back in place. Thanks for watching this short video, and I'll come back to you when we make a bit more progress. Speak to you soon.